In order to put speedometer out, first you have to get rid of this ventilation. Easily use a cloth, gently, and then pliers, and put it inside and just pull it out. And then you're gonna get this ventilation is getting out. So now you have to remove these 4 clips, 2 here and 2 up, and this whole piece will come out. So after that we can put an arm inside and grab the cable wire from the speedometer. So this is what you do. Let me show you. Here are the clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is already broken. You just have to put them up, and after that this whole piece should supposed to come out like this. Here we go, and it's out. I just need to loosen this wire, and after that it's easy access towards the speedometer. Now we have to put out this ventilation plastic. It must come out. I will try to put it out underneath with my hand up, and it's gonna be the easy access after that. So underneath the steering wheel you have to reach through this plastic, where is it? This one, plastic tube, and then just separate this piece right here, which comes out. Yeah, this is the piece that you have to take out, and there's, you can see the access behind the speedometer. Now I'm gonna put my arm inside, and I'm gonna try to find a speedometer cable and just unloosen it. The easiest way to access the cable is here, underneath here, and there, as you can see, my arm is there. There's my arm. Can you see it? Yeah. And that's how you're gonna reach the cable. So speedometer is out, and now I'm gonna just unplug all cables and put it out. So this is the cable wire which is most hard to get access to. This is what goes to the speedometer, and when you're driving this rotates and the numbers on the speedometer goes. So it's a speed cable. It's very tight. It's very, yeah, maybe I can put it out a little bit, and it looks like this. This is what you have to do. Unscrew it, and after that put away these cables from the speedometer. There, I think there are 6 of them, and then you get speedometer out, and this is how it looks from behind. Now we're gonna put VDO LCD for outside temperature here. I'm gonna show you how. So after long time ago I bought this VDO outside temperature LCD, which is positioned here, and it shows with LCD with temperature sensor outside temperature from out of the car. I didn't have this gadget when I bought the car on my speedometer, but I found it on eBay. It was broken. I fixed the LCD. When you're buying this stuff, you have to be careful, because when you see black dots on the LCD in the corners, or totally black LCD, that means it's not working. You're not gonna see anything here, so you have to fix LCD first. One guy from Netherlands is fixing, he can send you LCD tape, so you can fix it. I think it was 20 or 30 euros, very cheap. And when you're buying this LCD, you have to be careful that you get all these wires. This connector goes to the speedometer. I think it's here. This connector goes to the sensor, temperature sensor, and this one goes to the lights, plus, minus, and the signal. So when you turn the car on, it will give the signal, and this LCD will turn on. So now I'm gonna put this part away and install this one here. Now, in order to get this through here, you have to put this plastic away. That means it has to be broken or cut away. So you're gonna cut it here and here, as you can see. And after that, we're gonna try to put these connectors through here. But there's always but. There's a problem with this one. This one does not go here. The solution is easy. Just open it up and put the connector away, and there's only a wire, so that means the wire will go through here. So the LCD is on, speedometer. Now I just need to cut this plastic here and just put it inside here and towards here, like this, and nothing will be seen through. So I cut it away, and now let's see what happens. Now I put this back away like this and just gently put the LCD down into the hole, and in both hands. So this is the easy job. I mean, the job is done. I just put back 8 screws, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 are here, and also 2 screws for the holding LCD on the place. This is how it looks from the front foreigner side. Here it is. Now this works. This is just, yeah, it was stuck, but now it's okay. This is for I think for the clock settlement, and this is for the mileage. Yeah, push this and there it goes. Now I just need to put it back in the car, and it's right here. It goes through this hole, and this is the sensor for outside temperature behind the license plate, and it's not seen from the outside. Very nice. The easiest way to put the sensor cable is through here behind the fuse box, and there is the rubber seal, this one. So you can make a hole inside and put a sensor cable here, and there sensor cable comes through this hole here. Here it is. This is the other side of that firewall, and here's the sensor cable. And now it looks just like factory made. Put this back in like this, and that's the easiest way to put something from the engine, like through the firewall towards the car inside. I did this sensor cable. Now I'm gonna put all this together and just test it. And this is how it looks. Beautiful, just beautiful. So if you are trying to put VDO LCD temperature inside your 201 model, I hope I helped somebody with this one. Until see you next time.